National Nutrition Natural Health Reviews. 3 minutes of the latest naturopathic info with Canada's leading nutrition experts. Watch, learn, and get healthy naturally.
Hi there, I'm Dr. Jonathan Beatty, a naturopath and a health expert here at Nationalnutrition.ca. Today I want to talk a little bit about the importance of an alkaline diet. See, in North America, we often tend to eat a diet that's very acidic or very acid forming. So one that basically involves too many sugars, too many refined carbohydrates. Oftentimes we're over-consuming proteins, under-consuming vegetables, and we're not taking in the valuable minerals that are required to balance out the acids that are produced when our bodies digest and metabolize all of these excessive sugars and proteins. There's nothing necessarily wrong with eating a high-protein diet. If you do, you just have to balance that out with a high vegetable diet, as vegetables contain the beneficial minerals that your body requires to buffer acids. What buffering is the ability of a system to resist a change in pH. And that's very important because when the human body becomes too acidic, it changes the way in which the body can carry oxygen. In fact, if you're mildly acidic, it can make your blood 20 times less efficient at carrying oxygen. So of course, this can then lead to things like high blood pressure and high heart rates, as your heart has to now move more blood in order to transport the same amount of oxygen. As well too, in order to buffer out minerals, your body will often have to look to the skeleton for extra minerals if you don't take enough in your diet. And so that will lead to, over time, conditions like osteoporosis. So increasing the vegetable content of your diet is probably the easiest way to help balance out your diet and create a more alkaline way of eating. As well, you'll often want to reduce your consumption of refined carbohydrates, things like simple sugars. I often describe carbohydrates not as simple or complex, but I like to look at them more as cellular or acellular. When you process sugars out of the cell, that makes them more easy to digest, and that makes them, when they're broken down, more acidic. Versus when you have what we call a cellular carbohydrate, that's where the sugars are still maintained within the cell. It takes the body a little bit longer to break them down, so it actually gives the buffering system a little bit of extra time to manage the acids that are produced, and this can help reduce the acid impact of sugars in the diet. So look at consuming foods more in their natural state, because this will help you to increase your consumption of what we call cellular carbohydrates versus acellular carbohydrates. So hopefully this video will help you make some positive changes in your diet that can help manage your pH and ensure proper health going forward. Check out more of our natural health videos, subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, please post them below. Always remember, knowledge is health.